My dear Joanna, there is any idea about how we can protect our nature and environment? Yes, I have got an idea. Come, I will show you something. Come.
Recycle.
See, Joanna, our environment is full of papers, plastics, and chocolate covers. It will affect our environment and nature. So please take these all things and put in the recycle bin.
Okay, ma.
Our environment is clean and neat. It can be used by all the creatures safely and cleanly. So recycling is the best one to protect our nature. Come, we can go for plant our trees. See, Joanna, these are the recycled eco-friendly eco-friendly plastics bottles. We can use it as a plant dust, which is used for going to plants as a flower wash. See, we can use this as a eco-friendly one.
Plant trees.
This tree is very tall. We need to cut this tree. But if we cut this tree, the environment get affected. The birds will be suffer about this because of cutting trees. So I think we no need to cut this, but we can plant more trees. Okay, Va? Are you ready to plant with me?
Yeah.
Yes, come, we can go. Shall we plant the tree? Huh? Okay, pour some water. Enough. Planting more plants and trees will helpful for the environment, and it will protect our nature, and it will useful for all the creatures.
Saving water.
Hello, Joanna, you are wasting water. Close the tap. While brushing, you have to close the tap after brushing your teeth immediately. Otherwise, the water will lose and we need to save the water, no? If we save the water, it will get for other creatures and our nature will get more water. We have to save the water. Okay, ma'am? Okay. So, we can go and plant we can go and pour water to our plants. We save the water from this, we can use for another activities also. No, don't put wastewater in this water. It's a good water. Then only the fish can live safely. If we save the water, we can use for this creature also. See, the fish is going out beautifully. Right? Whether you like fish? Whether you like fish?
Yeah.
Yes. How beautiful this one, right? How beautiful! Whether you like this, you see how beautiful this fish. And a plant will grow bigger scales and give us clean air. And help our environment to keep neat and clean. And our environment will be pollution free, and our birds can live freely in the plants. Whether you like trees, whether you like plants, whether you like to grow it. The playground is full of plastic papers and now our environment is very clean. Can play freely. Other children can also play freely. The environment is now very clean and neat. So always please keep your environment clean and neat. So
You see, we are so bad.
Johanna, while we are going to buy grocery or vegetables or anything, we have to use the cloth bag, not the plastic covers. Okay, ma? While we are, because it is not eco-friendly. Plastic covers is, it won't be, it will be always dumped in the sand. It won't be clean at all. So we have to use always the cloth bag. It will be eco-friendly and it will help our environment to keep and neat. Okay, ma? Okay. Okay. Shall we buy the things? Okay. While we are going for to buy grocery, always use cloth bag. Okay?
Composting.
See, Johanna, this is decomposing box. We are going to put the food waste in this decomposition box. While we are putting this, it will convert into fertilizers and it will helpful for plants and trees. Shall we put here? Shall we put this fertilizer to the tree? Yes. Now we have given us good fertilizer for this tree. Now pour this water to this tree. Yes, now the food waste is useful for the tree as a fertilizer. So our nature will be good and our ecosystem will be clean and neat. Okay.
Off light.
We have to switch off the light when we go out of our room, because when we switch on the light, it will reduce our energy. If we switch off the lights, it will save the energy and it will helpful of our ecosystem and helpful for our nature. Okay, so we have to save the energy. So when we go out of our rooms, you have to switch off the lights. Now we are going out, so you have to switch off the light. Switch off it. Okay, come, we can go.
I'm biting.
To live eco-friendly, we need to live pollution-free. So we have to walk. We have to do by walking and by cycling. Always mainly we use these two things. It will be helpful our environment and our environment will be eco-free and it will be pollution-free. Okay, ma? Okay, shall we walk? And whether you study for cycling? Yes, do.
Feeding back.
Birds. We need to feed that bird. Then that will be helpful for the environment. They are also the creators. They need to live, no? We need to give them food. They will live happily and we too live happily. Okay, va? Okay, they will eat. Come, they used to eat. They will be eco-friendly to us. We need to be friendly with them. They will be also friendly with them. Okay, come.
Keep our planet clean and green.
Thank you.